Looking for cheap classic cars with real conditions? Here are 10 budget classics, some clean, some projects, all honest. Car 1. 1967 Plymouth Fury 3 4-door hardtop. $7,500. Midway, Tennessee. This 1967 Plymouth Fury 3 is a clean classic cruiser with low stated mileage and an automatic transmission. The seller mentions that it runs and drives great, making it immediately usable as a weekend car. The body and interior are both described as being in good condition for its age, and the hardtop design gives it a clean, pillarless look. It may not be fully restored, but it presents well overall.
This is a solid, ready-to-enjoy classic with room for further improvement if desired. Car 2. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. $8,000. South Elgin, Illinois. This 1978 Corvette is powered by an L48 350 V8 and has around 88,000 miles. It has been owned long-term and recently refreshed after coming out of storage, including brake and fuel system work. The car runs very well according to the seller, with no major mechanical issues reported. The interior has been redone, though there are still minor cosmetic imperfections. Overall, this is a well-maintained driver with recent maintenance and good usability.
Car 3. 1974 BMW 2002. $7,500. Phoenixville, Pennsylvania. This 1974 BMW 2002 is a modified driver with a manual transmission and a long history of regular use. It has performance upgrades like suspension components and ignition improvements, along with interior modifications. The car has some rust, but the seller claims areas are solid. It is currently drivable and can be taken home alayhi salam. Overall, this is a character-filled driver with modifications and unfinished interior details.
Car 4. 1982 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. $8,500. Dandridge, Tennessee. This 1982 Corvette has been modified from its original setup and now features an updated carburetor system and a recently rebuilt transmission. It has under 80,000 miles and is described as running and driving as it should. While not fully original, the updates appear to improve drivability. No major issues are mentioned, though detailed condition information is limited. Overall, this is a usable driver with some non-original modifications.
Car 5. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. $8,000. Columbia, Tennessee. This 1980 Camaro Z28 features a rebuilt drivetrain with a GM Crate 350 engine and refreshed automatic transmission. It also has multiple performance upgrades and new mechanical components. However, the car still needs finishing work, including interior completion, gauge fixes, and paint. There are also some rust spots noted. Overall, this is a strong mechanical build with cosmetic and detail work remaining. Car 6. 1990 Mazda MX-5 Miata NA. $5,000. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This 1990 Mazda Miata has around 113,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. It runs and drives well and has received several maintenance updates, including timing components and brakes. There are minor issues like a worn soft top, no AC, and a common airbag light warning. Despite that, it remains mostly stock and usable. Overall, this is a solid budget Miata with small typical issues. Car 7, 1969 Chevrolet Impala convertible. $7,500, Winder, Georgia. This 1969 Chevrolet Impala convertible is powered by a matching numbers 327 engine and shows around 88,000 miles. The car runs and drives, and the convertible top is functional. Most features are reported to be working, though it does need mufflers. Condition is described as very good overall. This is a usable classic convertible with only minor mechanical needs. Car 8, 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. $8,000, Quinton, Virginia. This 1970 Camaro has a 355 engine paired with an automatic transmission, both described as working well. It runs and has been moved under its own power, indicating basic functionality. The car does need bodywork, including sheet metal repairs, although some replacement parts are included. Overall, this is a running project with strong fundamentals and restoration potential. Car 9, 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. $7,000, Country Club Hills, Illinois. This 1976 Corvette has around 57,000 miles and is described as running and driving very well. The seller also notes that the car is clean and free of rust, which is a major plus. No major issues are mentioned, suggesting it is a straightforward driver. Details are limited, but overall condition appears positive. This is a simple, usable Corvette with minimal known problems. Car 10, 1966 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D. $1,000, Etheridge, Tennessee. This 1966 Buick Riviera is a low-priced project car with a removed 425 engine included in the sale. The engine has internal damage due to water exposure and may or may not be repairable. The car itself has rust and will require significant work, both mechanically and structurally. However, it appears complete and comes with original parts. Overall, this is a full restoration project or potential parts car. That's it for today's list of affordable classic cars. From clean drivers to full project builds, each one shows its real condition. If you enjoy honest car content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.